Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Hey, it's Isaac and I'm going to show you how to fix this issue on your external drive about not displaying no data when plugged into your computer. Whether it's going to be a USB disk, an SD card, or maybe your external hard disk drive in my case. So you need to know that in here, I'm not going to go over the causes of this issue, but I guess some of you knows what happened. If that isn't the case, just let me know in the comment down below and I'll make a video on that, explaining all those different causes. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first thing we need to know, okay, is which target partition is supposed to be fixed. I'm going to plug in my USB external hard disk drive into my computer. Okay, now I'm just going to open the first partition, which is the F partition, like this, and I guess everything seems to be okay. Yes, everything seems to be okay. And now I'm going to open the H partition, and you can see there's a big issue here. So if I go to the properties with the recycling bin folder, it says 387 bytes, which is kind of weird, right? So we're going to open our cmd command by pressing simultaneously the Windows key and the R key at the same time, and write into the search open button cmd and press the enter key. So since our target is the H target, we're going to write in H colon to enter to the H partition and hit the enter key. And now we're just going to copy this command here, which is going to help us do the fixing. Copy, paste, and hit the enter key. And now we're just going to wait for the process to be done. I don't know if it's supposed to take much time, but if that's the case, I'm just going to pause the video and come at the end of the process. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, process done. Now let us check our H partition if the issue has been fixed. So as you can see, there's a folder without a name. Let us enter in here and boom, everything has been recovered. So I guess this video was really important for you and I help you fix your issue on your side. Let me just upload this one first. Okay, everything's good. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you're going to stick around with me, subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment down below if there's an issue in your case.